Huawei has expanded its commercial PC lineup with a new model that is called the HUAWEI HM740. It's an enterprise-focused laptop. USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB-C, HDMI, RJ41 Ethernet. One of the standout features of the HM740 is its enterprise digital dual space setup, which basically lets you run two separate environments on the same laptop, and one for personal use. Built on the HarmonyOS 6 platform, the HM740 also includes Huawei Super Privacy Switch, along with the ports you would expect from the business machine. Huawei claims to deliver up to 20 hours of a local video playback and around 14 hours of voice conferencing. For IT teams, Huawei is offering something called Zero Latency Development, part of the HarmonyOS Enterprise Edition. The idea is that as soon as the laptop is unboxed, security policies and environment settings are automatically applied, cutting down setup time and lowering the workload on the enterprise administrators. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.